we've got this all together and we let it set up good. We put an 1 5/8 inch screws in here and here. That just reinforces this for us. So now we're going to work on our last two pieces. And what I've done was I've taken this and I've sanded this down so we got a little bit of a bevel to it. It's less, doing it ahead of time is less time consuming than chipping it down later on. We did the same to this side here. We have our left side and our right side, which we marked these so they fit right. So we want to put this on here where it goes. Make sure it's okay. And we're going to glue this piece on. We'll give it about an hour. And then we'll put the other side on. You want to give it a little bit of time to get set up so you don't have slipping and sliding on each side when you go to connect it. We'll use our card here to spread out our glue. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. For all of you subscribers, I want to thank you. As long as you enjoy these videos, I'll keep posting them for you. Okay. So now we're going to take our left side, which is beveled down here. And we'll get this on. Put it where it goes. Now you don't want to use a clamp to go on both sides of this here because you'll split your wood out if you try to do that. So you want to take a smaller clamp here for this and just go up under this piece. And then we can use our bigger clamps. This piece, these clamp down a lot easier than the other ones. Put one there. So like I said, we're going to set this aside, let it set up, and then we can put the other side on. Thanks for watching.